Okay, so scientists, last time we met, we figured out that we didn't really know what a theory was, and we went over what a theory is, that it's an idea with some evidence. So today, before we start our talk, we're gonna write down our theory about the question, and then after our talk, we're gonna think if our theory changed. So the question that we're going to talk about today is, what are your theories about the different types of motion these objects can make? So we have, this is the top of a water bottle. This is a paper clip, a roll of tape, and a whiteboard marker. So we're thinking, what are your theories, what are your ideas with evidence about the different types of motion these objects can make? Is the motion or the force similar or different? So you're not talking yet, you're thinking in your head and you're jotting down your idea, your theory with evidence. Different types of motion. So when you're ready, your original theory is, what are you thinking about how these will move, the motion they'll make? Okay, we'll have about 30 more seconds to jot down your theory with evidence, and then we'll begin our talk. You're not filling it out till after. This is after the talk. All right, again, that's after the talk. Okay, once you're done, put that underneath your lab reports, because you might use your lab reports to help you when you're talking. Is your theory you don't really know? You're confused? That's fine. Okay, so your theory will probably change. All right, so let's take a look at the marker, the tape, the paper clip, and the top of the water bottle. What are your theories about the different types of motion these objects can make? Is the motion or force similar or different? When you're ready.
I think the bottle cap, the marker, and the tape have the same motion because they each roll. But they roll in separate ways because the bottle cap can't roll. The bottle cap can only roll in circles. It can't roll wherever it wants. The tape can roll if it's on the sides, but the marker can roll. Marker can roll on the bottom and the top because you just have to push it. And with the tape, all you have to do is turn it up and then roll it, or it might just start rolling on its own. Same thing with the marker and the bottle cap. You just have to sort of, it can roll on its own, or you have to push it a little.
I sort of disagree because sometimes the tape can't roll whatever it wants to be. What if it's like in a small space and it can only roll for it?
Well, it depends on where you are, in a little place or a big place.
If the
top can spin. If it's just like that, you can just give it a roll and then it'll just roll around in circles.
Well, there's actually a big, there's actually, well, the paperclip can, well, like these can. So that,
I agree because how are you get to roll a paper clip?
well, you can actually still roll it and then actually throw it and make it do flips it with flip.
I actually disagree about the tape part is because like I agree a little bit and I disagree a little bit is because like it can't just roll wherever is because like it don't matter what place it is in or whatever, but I know it can roll. That's the part that's like that I understand.
You can push the paper clip and then it will slide.
But it won't roll.
Yeah,
It's not
but
rolling
you can,
like
but you can like,
okay.
but
Push it.
yeah, you can like
slide.
you can probably spin it. It will slide.
Yeah, but it can't spin. So
If you go like
it's
this.
actually sort of like the same as this, because you can also slide it like this.
And now it doesn't roll.
But but you might want it to roll by itself. Like you see how you just give it one push and it just roll wherever you want to roll it.
But
You
but
have
if
to
it
give it a couple pushes.
yeah, but if it bumps into something, it'll just tip over. And then it
Wow. This does roll.
And it, like Colin said, it'll only go in circles. But what if it does? What if it doesn't have any motion at all? Like what if it's just on flat land? Then it wouldn't. Like a paperclip, it's like flat.
It's on flat land, then it can roll. But
flat.
if it's like on like
Stevie means like this. Like this
That's
is
flat.
flat.
oh
And well, this is also
it's-
something
oh,
else.
yeah.
You just
Oh,
push it
this-
like that.
oh this
It-
is
and it
not
won't flat.
oh when it's on flat
Yeah.
flat land it just can't move. But when you put it on the bump land, it'll probably slide down the.
But if it's probably not gonna move, it's probably just gonna fall over.